Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting video for you guys. Today I'm going to be doing my iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned for the whole entire video. So let's just get right on into the video. Alrighty, so I'm not gonna make y'all wait. This is what the box looks like. I got it in the gold. So just a really sleek black box. I believe my iPhone 11 box was white, so cute, cute, cute. Go ahead and open it. Ooh, okay, so when you open it, this is what it looks like. The gold is really not showing up on camera. Like, it's giving white, but I swear it is a very, very pretty gold. This is just what it looks like. Hopefully you guys can see pretty well. So let's go ahead and take this out and not break it. So this is what the phone looks like. This is the back. You got your 3 cameras. You got the little gold plating on the sides. I'm gonna give y'all a little 360. That's what it looks like. That's what the front looks like. Very, very pretty phone. It does have some weight to it, especially compared to my iPhone 11. So let me go ahead and take my 11 out of the case so that you guys can see what they look like in my hand, how it feels. So this is what the phone looks like in comparison to my 11. As you guys can see, there is a pretty substantial size difference, and I'll get into that later because that's one of the reasons why I chose to upgrade. But yeah, this is what it looks like in comparison. This phone is so much bigger. And honestly, the 12 Pro Max, it just feels like a sturdier, heftier phone. When I feel it in my hand, this one is definitely much lighter. And not just because it's smaller, just like, I guess like whatever the material it's made out of, it feels much less sturdy than this one. This one definitely has some weight to it. Like if I was to drop this, I would be kind of afraid because it's quite sturdy in your hand. If you go in the store and feel it, you'll see what I mean. Like it definitely has some weight to it, whereas this one has a little bit more of a, I don't want to say hollow, but compared to this, it definitely feels like there's like air in here. You know what I mean? Like it's very light compared to this one. So yeah. And with the iPhone 12, they went back to the candy bar kind of shape. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but like if you look at the phones from the side, as you guys can see, this one is much more rounded and smooth, whereas this one is a bit more structured like a candy bar would be on the sides. That's why they call it that. So as you guys can tell, you see how this one just has a little bit more structure. It feels much better in the hand, whereas this one, it feels a lot more slippery. I would rather wear this one without a case than this one because this one is just so smooth and slippery to where like it kind of can just fall right out of your hands, whereas this one, the edges are very defined, so like you have a nicer grip on it, if that makes sense. Let's keep going. So this phone does come in a bunch of different colors. It comes in gold, it comes in silver, it comes in Pacific blue, and it also comes in graphite. I opted for the gold color because out of all the iPhones that I've had in the past, I've never gotten a gold colored one before. So I was definitely excited to try this. Honestly, just based on aesthetics, this phone reminds me, like if you were to combine the iPhone XS Max and the iPhone 5, that's what this phone is, literally. If you combine those two phones, this is literally what you get. Obviously, because I am coming up from an iPhone 11, all of the things inside of the phone are exactly the same. There's not really any new features for me to show you guys. Everything is new and updated, of course. So this is what my home screen looks like right now. Let me know if you guys want me to do a video on how I do my aesthetic home screen that I had on my 11. I'm definitely going to transfer it over to this phone. So just let me know if you guys want to see a video on how I do that, because that's what my phone screen is looking like. So if that's something you guys are interested in, make sure to leave a comment down below and let me know if you guys want to see how I can make my iPhone 12 wallpaper look like this one. And the phone comes in 3 different sizes. So it comes in the 128 gigabytes, it comes in the 256, and it comes in the 512 gigabytes. And I was super duper happy that they brought back the 128 gigabytes for the Pro Max phones, because when I was buying my 11, correct me if I'm wrong, I'm pretty sure you could only get the 256 or the 512. Like the 128 gigabyte was not an option. And for me, I don't really need that much space on my phone. The 128 has always done me fine. I have Apple Music. I don't have that many things on my phone that's going to take up a lot of space. Some people have a lot of music on their phone. I'm not one of those people. So yeah, I don't need that much space, so I definitely was happy that they brought back this size because it's the perfect size for me, and I never run into any issues with, you know, running out of space and like having to delete apps or having to delete pictures in order to make more room on the phone. So I was really happy that they brought back this size because you save a little tiny bit of money getting the 128 versus getting the 256. The display on this phone is 6.7 inches, so like I said, it is much bigger than my 11. My 11 is only 6.1 inches. As you guys can see, I am really feeling the bigger size. It just fits in my hand a lot better. I don't know, even though my hands are kind of small, I like to have a bigger phone. It just makes me feel a lot better. I at first was happy with this, but over time I just really wanted the bigger size phone, and that's really what it came down to at the end of the day. But yeah, I'm feeling the 6.7 size display. I feel like this is the perfect size phone, and honestly, if they made a bigger one, I probably would have got that one too. This size is nice, and it's not too big to where it's like falling out of your hand, but it's a nice sturdy size. It has the super retina display, so everything looks super great on the screen. No complaints there. So let's get on into the camera. Everybody always updates their iPhone, and like one of the most important things to them is the camera quality, because over time, obviously the older iPhones, the camera quality isn't as good. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a test for you guys so that we can see what the camera quality difference is. I'll do front camera and back camera. So I'm gonna pull it up on both phones. We're gonna do front camera first, as you guys can see. So this is what the front camera looks like on both phones. I've switched it to back camera. And I'll have those on the screen for you guys to see. Honestly, they're both really great pictures. Like, the quality is bomb. It's only one phone above it, so you know what I mean. The quality is definitely bomb, but I would say that the 12 is winning because it's so crisp, it's so clear. I feel like the 12 picks up what the lighting is in real life, like in real time in my actual room, much better than this one. The picture just looks a little bit more dull, and that's fine. Like, the quality is still bomb, but it just doesn't look as bright. So, but yeah, both cameras are great, but this one is winning. Moving on to what comes in the rest of the box, which isn't much. If you guys did not know, barely anything comes with the iPhone anymore. Remember back in the day where you would get a charger, you would get the little nugget, you would get headphones. Now they're just giving you the phone, and that's that. But the only other thing that's in here is the charger. And if you guys aren't familiar, the charger is different than it has been in the past. And like I said, it doesn't even come with the nugget, which is basically just like the charging block that goes into the wall. It just comes with the wire. Weird to me. They just want to upsell the charging block that's supposed to make your phone charge so much faster. Whatever the case, it only comes with the wire. And as you guys can tell, the connector, so this is the part that goes into your computer or into the nugget. This is a USB-C instead of a USB, which we're all usually familiar with. Yeah, they changed that. If you guys have one of the updated MacBooks, you'll be familiar with this because the charger for the new MacBooks also have a USB-C connection. So yeah, I'm not sure why they opted to do that. Like, I don't really know like what's the difference between a USB and a USB-C. I know like the connection itself is a lot smaller, so on my MacBook it just is a lot more sleek because the hole is not like huge. So maybe that's why they did that. But yeah, I'm not sure, and I'm not sure why they didn't include the nugget in the box if they're going to be changing the connection, you know what I mean? I'm gonna have to go out and buy a charging block for this, so just keep that in mind. I think this phone retails for $1,099, which is crazy. Like, I don't know when phones got this expensive. Maybe it's because I'm like paying for them now. When I was a kid, my parents would always pay for them. But now I'm running my own pockets and the prices are not hitting. But it is what it is. You get what you pay for. This is a really great quality phone. This is like having a computer in your pocket. I feel like if you're spending over $1,000 on a phone, like the least you can do is give me the nugget that goes into the wall so I can charge my damn phone. You know what I mean? Like, that's the least you can do if I'm spending $1,000. But whatever the case, I'll get one eventually. I do not yet have any cases for my phone. They should all be coming tomorrow, and I know you guys like those type of videos, so I will definitely be doing a case collection video for you guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys will be interested in seeing that, and give this video a big thumbs up if you're looking forward to that video. video as well. So this phone is wireless charging capable. I definitely will be doing a video on all of my iPhone accessories, so give this video a big thumbs up if you guys want to see that. So you can attach a magnetic case, a magnetic wallet, the wireless charger, like all of that you can attach to this phone, which is super cool. I feel like when you're charging your phone, the wire is kind of annoying, but I do like the concept of the wire, just because like if I want to use my phone and charge it at the same time, I don't want to sit my phone on the thing and like be having to use it like that, you know what I mean? Yeah, I do want a wireless charging pad. I'll definitely be picking one of those up and letting you guys know about it. I did not purchase any of the Apple cases or the Apple accessories for the phone. For one, I heard through the grapevine that the Apple wallet that they made to snap on to the phone, like with the magnet, it doesn't stay on when the phone is in your pocket. Like, it's very easily moved, so that's a dub. My brother did pick up the clear case. He really likes it, but it's not my cup of tea. I don't like the white circle that's on the back of it. I don't really like those cases, and I feel like those cases are like $49, $50, and you guys know I'm a baddie on a budget. I'm gonna come with the case review, and all the cases are gonna be under $30 because that's just what we do. But yeah, you guys will see what cases I picked up. I know I'm gonna get a lot of questions about like why I decided to upgrade, because I literally just got a new phone, and there's a couple of reasons why. The first one being is the size. Like, over time, yeah, coming from my 7 Plus to the 11, it was a big leap, so I feel like I was going to be happy with whatever I got. And everything that I did say in that unboxing was true. Like, I at the time didn't want to spend the extra money for the Pro phone because it just didn't seem worth it to me at the time. However, now that I've had some time to like sit and think about it and like use the phone and really enjoy it and see other people's phones, I wished that I actually got the 11 Pro Max, just because this size just wasn't doing it for me. I don't know, something about it was a little bit small. Like, you guys can clearly see, you know, like it was giving small, and I really like big phones, and I feel like I was just being cheap, when in reality, if I would have just spent the extra money, I wouldn't be buying a new phone right now. So learn from me, learn from my lesson, get what you want, okay? I saved, I think, maybe $200 or $300 getting this size phone as opposed to the other size phone, but you know, I'd rather pay the price to be happy, you feel me? And since I was in a position to get a new phone, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna keep my trade-in value high, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get the new phone. And of course, I wanted to come and show you guys the unboxing and all of that good stuff about it. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments down below. I'm really loving the phone so far. I am so excited for my cases to come in the mail, because this baby, I am scared to break it, okay? I am very scared. But yeah, I think that's everything I wanted to cover in this video. Nothing too crazy. I am not an iPhone expert. I just wanted to come and show you guys what the phone looks like. I really, really love it. Like, the gold sides, come on. If you like these type of videos, give this video a big thumbs up and let me know what kind of iPhone related videos you guys want to see next. I have a bunch of ideas, but of course I want to hear from you guys. So make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on those post notifications so that you never miss my next upload. You know, if you made it this far in the video, you might as well already subscribe, and I'll have the little thing on the screen so you guys can check out my next video. So yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching. I really appreciate all of your love and support. We are super close to 5,000 subscribers, and I cannot wait to share with you guys what the giveaway is going to be. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.